Morning time in the Tillamook Forest on the Wilson River. Once again, up before the sun. Probably can't even see down there right now. That's the Wilson River. There's just an owl hooting. I don't know. Just a minute ago, that was cool. Jones Creek Campground is definitely a. If you're going to pay for a campground, you can definitely stay at more spots. Today is a cleanup day for OnXOffroad and As the Magpie Flies. So we're going to be helping out with that today. I'm going to meander my way back to camp and start fixing coffee. We are here to clean this place up today.
Look at her just greeting her people like
Fashionably late. It was going to turn from a garbage cleanup day to a Find Amanda day.
Yeah. You had an ad out.
The Amanda that you see in the As the Magpie Fly videos is exactly the Amanda that she actually is. There's no acting. She's just awesome, good people. Let's get to work.
So I told you that was a mated pair, and they've been laying eggs many miles from the ocean.
Yep, we're hunting for garbage. It's like an Easter egg hunt. It's like an Easter egg hunt, only different.
It's an oyster egg hunt.
Looking for garbage. We are at Jones Creek day use area, picking up garbage for the Pack It Out Day with OnXOffroad and Amanda from As the Magpie Flies. We're picking up other people's shit. There's some. Don't leave your stuff laying around. There he is, everybody. I found him. Pacific Northwest Steve Irwin. There he is. Yeah. He's creeping through the brush, looking for more of the elusive Pacific Northwest manta ray, and he's doing the responsible thing and picking up garbage along the way. If he can do it, you can do it. This is one of the other things you get to see while you're out doing stuff like this. Look at that, y'all.
Found a diaper, baby wipes, and a sock. I think I'm gonna find a whole human child at some point.
I haven't been that prolific, but I have been finding like plastic bags, those little Hershey's Kisses wrappers. Found part of a balloon. Yeah, that was a good one. And it was a camouflage balloon, so it was not easy to see. We're finding some gross stuff, but we're getting it picked up. You gotta do what you gotta do when other people don't do what they're supposed to do. Leave no trace. Pack out your dog leash. No dog though. Made my way across the bridge and now I'm over at the Smith Homestead. Looking around the picnic areas. So that's where you're gonna find, if you're gonna find garbage, probably gonna be around those. 2 socks.
Oh.
Are they my size? Nope.
Oh, damn, you almost scored.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna keep filming just in case your hand slips and you go right in face
I know,
first.
right? You gotta. This is the dedication.
Film with my camera.
Yes, hang on.
Two-fisted.
Oh!
Hey!
Nice find.
It's hard to get this. It's like freaking close. Oh! We're on Dude Perfect right now.
Dream team.
Nailed it.
Batting 1,000. So Anna is gonna jump in and show us how to swim in the Wilson River in half riding gear.
Yeah.
It would not be the first time.
We are done picking up the trash, so now we're doing a small group ride. Some gravel, some dirt. Nothing technical. Beautiful day though, so we're gonna get some pretty bomb views. That's a good staging area. I like that last little bit right there. It has a nice little.
Take off the camper.
Yeah. Do you mind if I pour a couple waters into my hydration tank?
Thank you. Look at that. All you other folks decided not to follow us up here. Sucks to be you. So I've just now realized something, that people can get along and cohabitate. We have 3 giant loop laden bikes here. And then we have this other brand. And not only that, but Hondas can get along with KTM.
I didn't know it.
Your bike didn't even break down on the way up here. It's amazing.
The operative word is people can cohabitate until Beard opens his mouth.
Right. It's a thing. Just like in one of Dork's earlier
earlier videos, if you look around, you can't figure out who the camp is. It might be you. Just had a drone come crashing out of the sky. The toast? Ooh, no, it's not bad. He's gonna be picking confetti out of his clothes for a year. Look in the camera. Looking around the trails and my God. Blah blah blah. Pairing. Ta-da! Can we hear you? We can hear each other. Let me do this. How about now? Okay, I'm pairing. Now you. Oh, how about I got you? Now we don't. Now we have you, but not you. I found one.
Somebody leave a comment with what the number of what are these things actually called.
The rumor is we almost had 3 this time, but somebody had to go watch football tomorrow. I mean, somebody had to go work a football game tomorrow. Let's get the intro right this time. Cut.